What's up, you guys? So in this one I want to show you a little continuity trick with photography, and in this instance it's going to be the seamless slide in Instagram. So for this one I've used a stupid little selfie that I took the other day for my example, and then I'm going to show you on Instagram itself this photo that I actually used the seamless slide technique to give me some more continuity with my photography when it comes to uploading for Instagram. This works on other platforms as well. You can see it on Twitter as well. It does leave a little bar in between when you do that on Twitter though, but continuity is always key. So let me show you this quick little tip. I know it'll help you out. Let's jump into Lightroom. Okay, so now we're in Photoshop and we have 3 steps to follow to make this into 2 seamless sides. So the first step is coming over here to your crop tool and then selecting 4:5 if we're talking about Instagram. So for this we can do a vertical orientation, or we can do horizontal simply by changing it with the X key. So for this we're going to say that this is going to be our final crop. So after this is where it really gets cool. Step 2, you go back over here and make sure you right click and select the slice select tool. So this will give you a little knife with an arrow. There's another option over here that's the slice tool. You want the one that says slice select, which actually has a little arrow with the knife. So this one does not. When we go over here and we do slice select, now you can see it has an arrow with the knife icon. So what you want to do after that, this is step 3, and this is the easiest part. Come over here to this little icon on the left, do divide slice, and you can do horizontal or vertical again. I selected vertical, and then I just want 2 complete slices. So I did 2 here. You could do 3, 4, 5, however many you want. Just click OK, and there you have 2 complete sides sliced in half with a seamless middle. Now what you want to do after that is kind of step 4, I guess, and this is the part where you're able to upload for Instagram. So you're going to come back over here, do File, and then do Export, and then you want Save for Web Legacy. So then it's going to upload your photo, it's going to show it to you, and what you want to do is make sure your quality is at 100, you want maximum here, optimized here, and then from there you just want to save. So here we have our 2 photos side by side, and if we open them up we're going to get the 2 halves that we were talking about. So half 1 and half 2. So this is the original photo right here, and now we're going to show you the slide. So this is the second image and the third image. Did you see it? So there's the middle of the actual image. We have the left and the right and no seam in the middle. So what this has allowed us to do is give us that first image, which shows us the whole picture, and then the second and third gives us that little bit of detail with a lot of continuity, so you don't have a breakup in between the second and third image. This is really helpful for continuity when you're talking about photography, and definitely when you're talking about uploading to socials like Instagram. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments. Let me know what you liked, what you didn't like. If you really like this, leave me a thumbs up. It helps out so much. This is a new channel. I really appreciate all the feedback, whether you liked or disliked or whatever. Any of the feedback I really appreciate. And if you also like to, you can follow me on Instagram. You can follow me here on YouTube. I also have TikTok. All the links are the same. They're always in the bio below. Let me know what you think. Peace out. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.